Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you're watching DigitWise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix sound playing from only one speaker on Mac. So if sound is only coming from left or right speaker on your Mac or from only one side of your headphones, the first thing you should check is the speaker balance setting. If the balance slider has been moved completely to one side, your Mac will send the most or all the audio to only one speaker. Fortunately, this is very easy to fix. And if you are facing the problem, here's how to fix it. First, click on the Apple logo and then choose System Settings. Now go to Sound and under Output section, make sure you have selected the correct output device. And now find the balance slider and check its position. If it is moved toward the left or right, drag it back to the center so both the speaker receive equal audio. And after that, play any song or video to test both speakers. If you are using Bluetooth headphones or external speakers, reconnect them and test again. It will surely fix your issue. So that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.